Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, today I'm explain how to use Google Sheet. So let's get started. So guys, I'm just click Google Sheet on Google search and Google Sheet sign in. So you can using phone Google Sheet applications. So just try my Android phone is Google Sheet enable. So guys, I'm already pre-installed Google Sheets. So guys, I'm just explain the tools. So Google Sheet spreadsheet is MS Word or MS Excel sheets and best. So just like is online based web based applications, so you can easily access your file, open new, input, export, make copy, share, or download, rename, and just setting others features such like Microsoft. So edit options, just copy paste here and etc. And view options, so show view, fridge, group, so insert, cell, row, column, sheet and chart, pivot tab and image, drawing, everything, function, link. Okay, function is the sum and uncountable. So drop down, checkbox, emoji and smart zip. So format is theme and number, text, alignment, warping and rotation, font size, etc. So guys, data input type, short sheet and create a filter viewers, add to slicker, etc. So just tools, you can create a form with Google Spreadsheet and spelling auto complete, explore, notification setting, accessibility. So now you can add extension, add-ons and macros, record Mac and apps script, app sheets. So help you can any menu and countable. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. So please subscribe our channel and keep watching this video. Goodbye.